I did not pluck this unit. I did not do anything to the lace with this unit at all. This is a glueless unit, so you could take it on and off. What's up, it's Bree. First of all, let's get into this hair, you guys. This is gonna be a hair review video, but it's gonna be a little different than I normally do. So 2024, I want to kind of elevate my look a little bit, right? And I just feel like this part down the middle is giving me that baddie type of look, okay? The look that I'm going for. Don't get me wrong, I really enjoy my frontal wigs, but I have to like do my hair so often, and I don't have time to walk around with my lace showing. I just want to look more clean and polished. So this unit is going to be my go-to unit for the up and coming year. This unit is from Nadula Hair, and when I got this unit, it was more of a 10-inch, y'all, so it was like a little longer, like an inch longer. I did cut this unit a little bit. I'm gonna show y'all, but I'm gonna cut it a little bit more just to give it my look. It's just giving me like this look that I want. It's very, very classy. When you get this wig, it's gonna look pretty much like this, you guys. I did not pluck this unit. I did not do anything to the lace with this unit at all. This is a glueless unit, so you could take it on and off. And I honestly need things like this when I don't feel like doing a full frontal, but I have to feel comfortable with it because I'm just not comfortable. Well, I won't say I'm not comfortable. I'm just not used to being hair being on my face. I'm always doing like a pushback look, but this year I want to switch it up because I really want to elevate my style, and I just feel like a bust down middle part is so classy. So when you get this unit, it's gonna look like this. I did dye it a jet black. I do highly recommend that you dye this unit if you're going for that really classy, elegant look, because when I got the unit, it was like a color 2. Baby, I don't want a color 2. I want a jet black. So I did go ahead and dye it a jet black, and I just hot combed it on the mannequin head. But when I tell you I did not pluck it, I did not bleach the knots, it is glueless. It comes off, y'all. Like, it's nothing. Like, you can literally put this on and put it on your mannequin head. So it's really cute. So now I have it on. So this length is really cute, but I wanted to give a little bit more, I don't know, a little bit more class. Like, I don't know, it's just a look that I'm going for, that I feel like I want to cut this unit a little shorter. So I'm going to cut it to about, I don't want it to lay on my shoulders like this. I want it to be like here. So we're going to go ahead and cut it. Now, you could cut this on the mannequin head. That'll be really cute. So I'll probably cut some of it on my head in the front, and then I'll finish cutting it on the mannequin head in the back. See how that looks just so sophisticated and chic? Oh my gosh, I really wanna, I've been seeing girls wear these type of units, and I'm like, I really want to wear a unit like that because I just think it's very, very classy, and it's very easy. It's super affordable. You don't have to worry about the lace, and I love that. So I want to go ahead and just cut it. I want it to look very sharp. So, and then I'll touch it up on the mannequin head once I get the shape of it. See, that's really, really nice. Okay, guys, so we went and got our hair nice and trimmed. And pop it on. This should be super easy. This is something that you could do when you're in a rush and you don't feel like doing your hair. This is what we need, right? This is what I need. Okay, now that the unit is nice and back on my head, I'm gonna just go ahead and hot comb it a little bit, y'all. I mean, flat iron it a little bit. Just a little bit. Just to make it even more sleeker. Y'all, this is definitely gonna be my go-to unit. My hairstylist, Kira, my homegirl who just cut my hair, she was like, oh my gosh, Bree, this unit is so cute. And I was like, thanks, boo. Check out Nadula. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so good. It looks so natural. Now y'all saw that this unit do come a little longer. I just didn't want it longer. That's not the vibe I was going for. They have this unit in a 12-inch and also a 10-inch. So if you want it super short like this, I recommend that you get a 10-inch and then just cut it. Wow, this is so good. Okay guys, so that is it for this review. This is a closure wig and I know you guys are gonna love this. This is gonna make you look so sophisticated for this up and coming year. It's very, very classy. It's nice and blunt and I really love it. All I did was just flat iron it a little bit more just so it can have like a cute shape, but really love the bluntness that my friend cut. But yeah, you guys can get this look too. All you have to do is get a 10-inch and cut it like until what you like, or you can keep it long. All you have to do to get this look is just cut it, and that's it. Just cut it. That's the hardest thing you have to do, is just cut it. If you don't want to cut it, you can take it to your hairstylist and get it cut, or you can have somebody around the house cut it. But you don't have to cut it, but I'll cut mine to get the vibes if I was you. So that's it. Make sure you guys check out Nadula, and I'll talk to you guys later. Here is the lace. Everything, nothing is glued down, and it's giving vibes. Alright, bye guys. Nadula.